Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today's video, like the title says, we are going to be bringing sexy back. We are going to be making these masks that we all have to wear when leaving our homes look hot. Well, we're gonna try. How we're gonna do that is by creating a beautiful eye makeup look. So now when you go out of the home and you have to wear these masks that cover the majority of your face, you can still look and feel beautiful by having a gorgeous eye look to go along with it. As you can see, I just did one eye and we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So today we're gonna be using the Carnival XL Pro palette by Be Perfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie. I am so excited. I just got this palette in the mail. Here is what it looks like on the inside. This is such a well-made palette. I absolutely love it. So totally worth every penny. I'm so excited that I got to play with that today. And I'm going to show you now how I created this look here. So first, we wanted to prime our eyes, and I primed my eyes with the P. Louise primer base and in the shade 01. And now we're going to take a blending brush and we're going to go into the shade Basic, which is this shade right here. And we're just going to go ahead and put that on like 3/4 of our eyelid, and we're going to bring it up in the crease. So I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit more so you can see what I am doing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and dip into that shade Basic, and I'm just going to use the big mirror here that is on my palette, and we're going to tap that shade onto our eyelid, and we're going to bring it into the crease, and we're just kind of doing little tiny circular motions, and we're going to bring it into the inner corner of our eye. And as we're blending, we're kind of flicking out the outer corner here, and we're bringing that up slightly. So we're just kind of like blowing this out a little bit. Now we're going to be dipping, or we're going to take a slightly smaller brush, and we're going to be dipping into a slightly darker shade. It is the shade right under Basic. It is called Hall, and it is this shade right here. And we're just going to put this on our eyelid just to add a little bit of depth to this look. We are just tapping that on the eyelid. And now we're going to take a tiny little blending brush, a tiny little blending brush, and we're actually going to dip into 2 different shades for this. We're going to be going into the shade Reckless, which is right up top here, and we're going to be going into Intuition, which is right here. We're going to take those 2 shades and we're going to put that color into the outer corner of our eye and bring it up slightly into the crease and onto about, not even, I don't know, maybe like a 1/4 into the lid here, just to deepen up that little area right there. And we always start by just tapping it onto the lid. And then whatever color we have left, we work into the crease. All right, now we are going to add a little bit of shimmer to our eyelid using this shade right here. This is called Gold Luxe, and it's this highlighter shade right here. We're gonna put that on our lid, and I'm just gonna use my finger to do so. Now once that shimmer shade is on our lid, we're going to take our blending brush and kind of blend in the little edge here that we made. There we go. And there you have that. Now we're going to work on our lower lash line. And we are going to go into a fun little green color, actually a couple fun little green colors. We're going to take a flat smudger brush and we're going to dip into the shade Nuke. And that is right here. And we're going to just stamp that along our lower lash line. Okay, once that is on, we are going to take another little smudger brush and we're going to dip in a shimmer shade. And that shimmer shade is this beautiful greenish shimmer shade called Peppermint right here. And we're going to stamp that over the green shade that we just put down. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take a tiny little smudger brush, another tiny little smudger brush. We're going to go back into that basic shade. We're just going to go underneath that green shade, that green lower lash line, and just blend the two slightly together. We don't want like a whoop line. We just want to blend them together slightly so that it looks like this shade up top of our eye is going into the bottom as well. We're just going to take some black liner and we're going to put it on the top lid and along our waterline. Then we're going to put on lashes, and today I'm using the Bantington lashes in Harlow, and they're these beautiful super dramatic lashes. I think if we're going to have a mask covering most of our face and we're doing these pretty little eye looks, we should have some dramatic lashes. I think that's okay right now. Do some dramatic lashes. So I'm going to go ahead, get the liner on, get my lashes on, and I will be right back. So we have our liner and our lashes on, and I did do some mascara on my lower lash line. Now we're going to add some little inner corner highlight, and I'm just going to use a tiny little brush, another little kind of like smudger brush, and we're going to dip into the shade Fair Play, and it's this like beautiful highlighter shade up top here, and we're going to go into the inner corner of our eye with that. Now I do want to add that I just have a little bit of a tinted moisturizer on my skin. Other than that, I have no makeup on. So that's another nice thing about these little masks. They cover up so much of your face, you really don't need to put on any other type of makeup, but we can make our eyes look nice and beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and get my mask. We're going to put it on and see the total final look. These masks can be fashionable too with the perfect little eye makeup look. I want to give a big shout out to my brother-in-law Jim, who actually came up with this idea for me. So I'm so thankful for you. Thank you. I loved this idea and I loved making this video. I hope everyone is out there staying safe and healthy. And if you do need to go outside and wear your mask, make sure that those eyes are popping all the way. If you would like to create an eye look while wearing your mask, please send it to me. I would love to see everybody's beautiful makeup looks. If you are a fellow YouTuber, I would love to be tagged in your video so that I can see what you have created as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!